Admiral on deck.
Thank you, Commander Mason. Check out this beauty. Chairman Tian Zhao. Leader of China's military. The head of the SDC Coalition's armed forces. Cocksucker plays hardball, even with China's government. They have as much control over him as we do. This cat walks alone. Chairman Zhao's squeezing Russia's balls real tight, Commander.
If Russia caves in and joins SDC, they'd be the largest military force on the planet, which is precisely what Menendez wants, setting up the superpowers to wipe each other out. Right now, Iran and India are both under threat. SDC's making their move. Time for JSOC to step up.
Their initial strike caught us off guard and crippled our primary defenses. We held them off, but our regiment was decimated. We cannot withstand another attack.
Was it SDC, Commander?
We were hit by ground and air drones.
FOB Spectre is vital to securing India's northern border. For rapid response, our only option is to halo in. The enemy's primary objective will be to smash the defense grid by targeting power generators and the satellite uplinks. If the grid goes down, there's nothing to stop them from penetrating the main control room. If that happens, FOB Spectre is down and it's open season on India.
Helmet cam feed is good. All units stand by. Okay, I want to run through a few systems checks and training maneuvers. Let's make sure we got this down before we do it for real. I want a function check on Claw OpCon. Stand by. Claw cam feed online. All looks good. Let's run check on infantry cam feed. Helmet cam link established. Infantry HUD relay confirmed. Let me check turret camera functionality. Assuming control of turret. Turret OpCon confirmed. Checking AO-SAT feed. Switching to tactical map. Let's run through some movement testing. Switching to Claw remote operation. Set. Okay, I want to run through some basic infantry maneuvers. Infantry under direct command. Infantry proceeding to marker. Good. Let's try with all forces. Good job. Let's do one more infantry camp feed check. Confirmed. Cam feed is good. Okay, we'll drop a dummy drone into the AO. Firing on enemy ASDs. Stand by for targeting exercise. Let me double-check the tactical overview feed. Fire on enemy ASDs. Selected units, stand by for target. Move to engage. Move to destroy enemy ASDs. lost it, good. One more infantry maneuvers check, just to be sure. Tasking infantry directly. Advance on marker. Looking good. Clock amp feed online. Helmet cam link established. Moving to marked waypoint. All right, I think we've got this down. Good work, people. Next time we do this, it'll be for real.